morning, guys. Hope you all are doing well. Today, for this last day of January 31st, in our devotional, it says, bitterness poisons the soul. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 31. Get rid of all bitterness, rage and anger, brawling and slander, along with every form of malice. Hebrews chapter 12, verses 14 and 15. Pursue peace with all people and holiness, without which no one will see the Lord. Looking carefully, lest anyone fall short of the grace of God, lest any root of bitterness springing up causes trouble, and by this many become defiled. Isaiah chapter 38, verse 17. Behold, it was for my welfare that I had great bitterness, but in love you have delivered my life from the pit of destruction. Proverbs chapter 14, verse 10. Each heart knows its own bitterness, and no one else can share its joy. Psalms chapter 73, verses 21 through 24. I realized that my heart was bitter, and I was all torn up inside. I was so foolish and ignorant. I must have seemed like a senseless animal to you, yet I still belong to you. You hold my right hand. You guide me with your counsel, leading me to a glorious destiny. And Job chapter 5, verse 2. Resentment kills a fool, and envy slays the simple. And at the bottom it says, have you heard the saying, bitterness is like drinking poison and waiting for the other person to die? Bad experiences, pain, and hurt will often turn into bitterness that we will cling to. Before you even realize it, bitterness can poison you from the inside and in time completely destroy you. It is your choice whether to be bitter or not. The cross is God's answer to bitterness. Only when you forgive will you remove the poison from bitterness and find healing. And that's so true. That's so true. We can't hold bitterness. We have to forgive. That's a good thing to think about today. But I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you like my videos. I'm probably get another part to Jonah out today, hopefully, Lord's willing. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.